Okay, today we're going to talk about time savers that are oldie but goodies. So, a lot of these are something that you may have known before and forgotten or haven't used in a while, or these could be new to you, but these are things that should be helpful and save you time. So, the first one is going to be creating a list of websites that open automatically when you log into Google. So to do this, you would go to these three dots that today I heard called the skinny snowman, which I'd never heard before. But you'll go there and you'll go to settings and then you click on startup. And once you click there, it opens this box, and this is where you can add sites that you want to add. So let me delete this one and I'll show you how we can add another site. So here I have Class Dojo and classroomscreen.com that open automatically when I log in. So I want to add my morning meeting slides. And to do that, I would just click add new page. I'll click the website address to those slides and then click add. And so now it will open up, and I can't show you without logging out of my recording, but now instead of just those two coming up, when I would open up the screen, it will open up all three of these websites automatically. So that makes it very easy when you're starting your day first thing, instead of having to log into multiple different websites and pull up different things you need. Everything can just come up all at once. The only annoying thing is that if you were to close out this website, sorry, this screen, anytime you log back into Google, everything is going to have to load again. And then eventually, if you find you don't need one, you can easily delete them by going to the skinny snowman and clicking remove. Oh, the more you add, the longer it's going to take to load. So you don't want to add a ton, but you could probably add the ones that you use the most would be the most helpful. So, and then like I said, anytime you're not wanting it to do that anymore, you just delete them. So that's a really easy way and to save you time. So another thing that I find is an oldie but goodie time saver has to do with Gmail and creating templates. So if you find yourself writing the same email over and over, you could create a template so that then you just go in and you edit the template and click send to save you time. So to do that, you would go to your mail, or like we do here, go to Gmail, and then you're going to click compose, and you can either write an email and save that one and then just change it every time, or you could write a template itself, leaving blanks to fill in every time you want to send that message. I think that might be more efficient instead of having to delete stuff and then rewrite it, just to create a template that already has blanks. And I'll show you an example. So like this one has the blanks that I would change. So every time I can just take this email, fill in what I need to fill in here, and then, update my recipients and click send. And I'm not having to rewrite the same email multiple times. So to create a template, you would go to compose. You would compose your message. And then you would click the three dots here, go to template, save draft as template, and save as new template. And so you would pick a name, and then whenever you need the email, you go to your templates and it will be there in whatever way you labeled it. So that's a really helpful time saver. That's an oldie but goodie. So those two were the old things you might already have heard about, forgotten. Okay, so one of the new tips I have is being able to link directly to specific content on a web page. So what that means is you would be able. So a lot of times we want to share a link with somebody, but sometimes we're like, oh, I really want them to look at this certain part of it. Now, obviously, you could take a screenshot and send that to them, but this is actually even quicker. So what you do is now you're able to go to a specific website, highlight the words that you want the person to notice or read, and then you're going to right click until you come to copy link to highlight. You're going to click that link, And now when you send them the link, instead of it just being the whole page, it will still be the whole page, but the information you want them to notice that you highlighted will be highlighted in that link. So it does it all in one step. So instead of you having to, like I said, screenshot it or something like that, this way it does it in one step. This one has you giving you the ability to create a rating form. So now on a Google form, after adding a question, you can click the drop down menu and select a rating. You can choose from 3 symbols, a gold star, a red heart, and a blue thumbs up. And for each question, you can add anywhere from 3 to 10 symbols. So this is a great one. Like if we're having a school potluck and people brought dishes to vote on, this would be a way you could vote on them. Or you could have students vote on things in the classroom. You can have parents vote on giving you feedback about things. So there's a lot of ways you could use this. And this is just a great, simple new feature that you may not know about yet. So I hope you can use the oldie but goodies and the new stuff, and hope it saves you time and helps make your day a little bit easier. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.